Hi, I'm Alice Hadi, your Starseed Guide, Healer, and Light Language Activator. So today I'm going to share with you the 3 steps to healing. Now, this is not like the answer to healing, there is no such thing, but this is what I've observed from my personal healing experience over the past decades and more, as well as observing the experience of thousands of students who I've supported in their journey. So the first step is acknowledgement. You gotta first acknowledge the fear, right? There is nothing to heal if you don't even acknowledge what is there to heal. Make sense? It's like if you are to prescribe a cold medicine, you gotta first acknowledge that there is a cold. Same thing. You gotta first acknowledge that you have a fear, maybe a fear of being seen or being heard, so that you can then work on healing those fears. So first is acknowledge the existence of the fear. You don't have to know the full story or the details of where and how it came from, but you got to acknowledge its existence. Then it brings you to the second step, which is to feel it, to heal it. There is no spiritual bypassing. Spiritual bypassing only slows down your healing, and I did an entire video on this just to explain why that is the case, which you can check it out later. But it's important to know that this is such a crucial step that you gotta follow through in order to experience full healing. That you gotta feel it to heal it. Whatever the fear is. If you have a fear of being seen, allow yourself to feel that fear. It is scary, but allow yourself to feel it so that you can actually do something about it. Feeling it is part of acknowledging as well. And the more you feel it, the more you allow the emotions to flow through, and you allow those energy to actually move through rather than staying stuck and trapped in the system. If you don't allow yourself to feel it, what you're doing is you're just numbing yourself, and you're causing more energy blocks and more stuck energy, and causing yourself to be more and more stagnant. So allow yourself to feel the emotions so the energy can flow through, and then you can finally then move to step number 3, which is to release and transmute it. So once you have allowed yourself the process of feeling to heal it, then you can then release it through healing work. Whatever modality you chose to, you can then release it and surrender it to universe to transmute into love. That's how you come out of fear and into love. That's how you come out of doubt and into faith, and so on. So the first step is to acknowledge its existence of your fear. Second is to feel it, to heal it. And the third one then is that release it to transmute it. So in summary, this is the 3 steps of healing process that I find to be very efficient for myself and my students. And I would love to know that how this resonate with you, and maybe which step of the healing process are you at right now, or maybe which step of this process that is more challenging for you, that you may need help with, that you can use some pointers on. You are more than welcome to drop your questions or your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to support and guide you. And if you are ready to deepen your healing journey, you can also check out my latest Starseed Healing Circle. This designed for that purpose of healing, as the name suggests. So it's for starseed to heal those starseed wounds so that they can feel it, to heal it, and release it and transmute it, so they can finally then move on and awaken their calling and their gift and step up into their highest vision. All the details will be found below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. It's Alice here, and so glad to connect with you, and I'll see you around.